Are you a Delta Airlines flyer wondering how to make the most of your American Express rewards? You have come to the right place. Delta and American Express have one of the most valuable airline partnerships, and the Delta SkyMiles program lets you earn miles on everyday spending. There are several Delta Amex cards to choose from. The Delta SkyMiles Blue Card has no annual fee. The Gold Card earns 2 miles per dollar on Delta purchases. The Platinum Card gives you a free checked bag and priority boarding, and the Reserve Card offers Delta Sky Club access. To earn miles faster, use your Delta Amex card for all Delta purchases. You earn 2 to 3 miles per dollar on Delta flights. You also earn 1 mile per dollar on everything else. You can redeem your SkyMiles for flights on Delta and its partners. No blackout dates means any available seat can be booked with miles. You can also use miles for seat upgrades, baggage fees, and in-flight purchases. The best way to maximize your rewards is to combine your Amex card with the Delta SkyMiles shopping portal. You earn miles when you shop at hundreds of online stores. Simply activate bonus offers in your Delta Amex account for even more miles. Check your SkyMiles balance regularly. Set a goal for your next trip, and use your Delta Amex card strategically for all travel-related purchases to watch your miles grow faster. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips.